Welcome to 10 Spyglass Ridge here in Amberwood Village.
This is a unique concept of detached condo bungalows here in Ottawa. We're just minutes to the keg, good restaurants, pubs, the delightful Holy Confections, as well as many other amenities that Stittsville and Canada have to offer. And the best part is, we're just a chip away from the house.
This most popular, spacious model has a huge living dining area, 2 large bedrooms, a den, 2 full bathrooms, a beautiful sunroom, and a deck backing onto a golf course, an outdoor pool, and pickleball courts.
Snowbirds love this adult community where all lawn maintenance, driveway and walkway snow removal are taken care of by the condo.
Hey, thank you for watching this video.
If you have any questions, would like to book a tour, or you're thinking of buying or selling, we would love to connect with you.